Welcome to today's video. This is a milky mushroom farm and these are milky mushroom. The scientific name is Calocybe indica. Yes, they can grow quite big and their cap can grow big, their stem can go big, and we can harvest them very small as well as at larger size. So it's quite a versatile mushroom. The best thing about this mushroom is that it's a summer mushroom. The growing temperature for this mushroom ideally it's 28 to 35 degree, but it can easily be grown until 38 degree. So during summertime anyone can build a normal shed and at very low cost if you can maintain temperature of around 35 degrees Celsius and humidity of the farm around 80 to 90%. You can easily grow this mushroom. This can be grown on stalks of normal wheat straw, paddy straw, sugarcane bagasse, and wide varieties of agricultural waste do support this mushroom's cultivation. The only difference between growing oyster mushrooms and the milky mushroom is that it just need a very thin layer of casing soil. Yes, the soil which you are seeing here, it's like a sand, and the mixture of this casing soil is prepared. There are several formula you can use. This one has been here we have used the loamy soil. We have prepared a loamy soil using the clay soil and the sand soil, and after that we have mixed little bit of vermicompost into it, and only little bit of moisture is required. You don't need to wet it a lot, otherwise it will start rotting. Yes, you do have to sterilize this properly, otherwise ink cap or other infection will come, and the mycelium and the mushroom, everything is quite robust. Just by twisting it from this base you can easily harvest them. After that we just clean the bottom and it's ready to sell. It can last in fridge, it will stay over 10 to 12 days. In normal room temperature 4 to 5 days it can easily last. So yes, you can grow it at a very far away place and ship it quite at a large distance. You can supply it all over the country or even export it quite easily. One of the best mushroom, because normally we know mushrooms are having very low shelf life, but this mushroom is very good. It's quite weighty. Each and every fruiting bag here will give us at least 100 to 150% biological efficiency, meaning in 3 to 4 flush we can expect 1 to 1.5 kilo of harvest from each bag. These bags are of 12 into 18 inches sizes, and yeah, there are different methods of growing milky mushroom. You can connect with us on the website bmmushroom.com or WhatsApp, and call number is given. You can purchase good quality spawn, get equipments or training whatsoever. We also often conduct free webinars. In the description you can fill up the form for free webinar and tips and guides. So if you are waiting for some mushroom to choose upon, this is the right mushroom. It's very delicious, full of nutrition, rich in protein, a lot of other important nutrients are in it. So one of the best mushroom to choose from, doesn't need a very large investment and can be grown vertically at a very small setup. So what are you waiting for? Do try this mushroom and at least try eating it, because once you eat you can never go back. Have a great day. Thank you.